Nicole Scott here for Mobile Geeks. These are my 10 favorite Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus features. We have to kick things off with the camera. We've got wide angle, ultra wide, and telephoto. The wide and telephoto come with OIS, which is great. Inside the camera is the next feature. We have intelligence built in. It can detect 30 different components inside of a photo and adjust each section individually. Number 3, super steady mode in video. You're able to move around and capture tough subjects easily in this mode. We're also excited about super night mode, that when you have a phone on a tripod, it will be able to take 17 pictures in a 30 to 40 second time frame and combine them. Number 4, the display comes with less blue light. It's the same stunning AMOLED display we're used to on Samsung phones, but now it takes care of the amount of blue light you're exposed to throughout the day. We love the fact that it doesn't turn your screen orange at night to remove the blue. Number 5, lots of storage. The S10 has 128 and 512 gigabyte options, and the S10 Plus has a special 1 terabyte version. Pair this with an SD card for expansion, and you'll be able to download as many seasons of whatever Netflix show you're binging to watch offline. Number 6, wireless power transfer. We might have seen it before, but that doesn't mean that being able to charge your wearables on the go isn't super helpful. 7, ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. We love how clean it keeps the display and just how fast and reliable it was. In our brief test, it was actually more reliable than the fingerprint sensor on the OnePlus 6T. 8, Samsung's One UI. It's moved a lot of the buttons from the top of the display where they were very hard to reach with one hand to the bottom. Number 9, Wi-Fi 6. You'll get 4 times faster connection than other users. So if you're in a busy train station, your connection will win. In case you didn't know, not all Wi-Fi is created equal. The final feature is personalized intelligence. Using AI, Samsung will improve performance with an auto app control system. The phone will get to know what apps you launch at certain times of the day and in certain locations. Then it will either close apps depending on your location and time of day, and it's going to work to enhance the app launch speed. All this means is that Samsung is going to figure out how to give you the best battery life. These are just a few of our favorite features of the Samsung Galaxy S10 lineup. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for S10 tips and tricks and a deep dive into the camera. I'm your host, Nicole Scott for Mobile Geeks.